bonus reading for March the your signs. Your cards are the Five of Wands, the Judgment, and the Ace of Cups. So nakikita natin dito na meron kayong disagreement ni person, whether the disagreement is between you or your person placed you in a third-party situation. Nakikita natin dito yung pag-aayos, no? Meron din dito na lawak ng pangunawa si person na bakit ba ako nakikipag-away or bakit ko ba sinisira, no? Itong aming pagsasamahan. I feel like hindi mo naman kailangan no na ikaw ang mag-initiate ng mga moves or ipamukha sa kanya, ipaintindi sa kanya kung ano yung mga nangyayari, bakit ito no yung relationship ninyo felt like tumbling down. Siya mismo ang makaka-realize nito no air signs, and it kind of make me feel with the Ace of Cups dito niya mararamdaman yung somewhat pagkawala ng init no ng inyong relationship, somewhat pagkawala ng passion, no, ng inyong relationship. So, yeah, this is your bonus reading air signs for March.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.